As a result of limited amounts of time, space, and resources, farmers and ranchers throughout the country are in search of ways to increase food supply in order to meet the demands of our growing population.
Animal production facilities and technologies have really taken off in the last, I would say, 10 to 15 years. And even farther back, I guess, with the onset of artificial insemination. Because you have genomics, you have the ability to progress very rapidly with genetic selection. You have probiotics that really help the rumen digestive system of an animal. You have silage inoculants that you put onto a crop that ferments the product to enhance the sugar content, the lactic acids, all of those things that create a better digestible forage, which allows you to maintain more cost-efficient producing cows.
Today, consumers are shifting away from using meat sources containing antibiotics. In addition, the U.S. government introduced legislation making the use of antibiotic growth promoters in animal feed more difficult to come by, creating a strong need for an effective alternative.
To understand how to select the best probiotic bacteria requires us at Christian Hansen to understand the actual mechanism by which probiotic organisms exert their beneficial effects. We dedicate much time and research truly looking at those cell-to-cell interactions. There's actually incredible evidence that the bacteria that populate our digestive system are actually actively communicating with us. That perhaps some of the cravings we have for foods is being generated by these microorganisms. That idea just fascinates me. So when trying to understand what strains of probiotic bacteria we should include in our new developed products requires us to understand really, definitely what they're doing. And the more closely we come to those understandings, the better we're able to make selections for beneficial products.
For more than 140 years, Christian Hansen has been working with good bacteria. As a result of having the world's largest commercial bacterial strain collection, the company has been able to develop microbial solutions for the challenges facing the industry.
So Christian Hansen has been in the business of providing microbial solutions since 1874, when Christian Hansen, a Danish pharmacist, was the first to extract a compound known as rennet from calf stomachs. Rennet is used to coagulate milk to form cheese. Today, over 1 billion people daily are eating something made with a Christian Hansen product involved. Over 50% of the cheese consumed globally and over 50% of the yogurt consumed globally is started with Christian Hansen cultures. We are a world-leading provider of farm to fork solutions, whether it's for your crops or for your silage or for your animals or for yourselves. We provide microbial solutions for things that can enrich your life.
The company's experience using live microbes in food and feed, as well as its strong foundation, enables it to approach innovation through the application of leading science.
I find it interesting that probiotics have been in the market for animals since the mid-'80s. But really, when you talk about probiotics, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, no one really knew what you were talking about. Today, probiotics are being advertised on TV. We know there's active probiotic cultures in our foods, in yogurt and kefirs that are on sale on the shelves. When you go into our grocery stores, you see shelf space occupied by many probiotic offerings. This is going to be the future. We have medical scientists looking into the prevention of certain diseases through the use of probiotics. We have agriculturalists looking for different solutions to solve animal agricultural problems with probiotic bacteria. We believe we at Christian Hansen are on the forefront of providing these types of solutions into the future, as we were required to produce natural, sustainable solutions.
Heavily based in science, with a passion for improving food and health, Christian Hansen believes that microbial challenges requires microbial solutions, and that good bacteria can increase both health and productivity in modern animal production.
We talk about our solutions really being from field to fork, meaning we have opportunities to benefit the growth of plants. When those plants are harvested, we can add products that improve the preservation of the nutritional material that's in that fresh cut material silage. When we provide probiotics to animals, we're ensuring that they are going to digest their feed well, they're going to have a healthy digestive system to absorb those nutrients to produce milk, meat, and eggs, depending on the animals.
Christian Hansen's more than 3,000 employees bring a wide range of experience and expertise, including veterinarians, microbiologists, agronomists, and experts within the fields of genome sequencing and screening.
We provide products into 4 major areas: pharmaceutical, nutritional, food and beverage, and agriculture. And not only that, we are a manufacturer of products, from initial fermentation to blending and production to packaging and shipping, and then experts in the field to ensure that our products are utilized by the consumer in the most effective manner. We have 141 PhDs. We have 200 microbiologists who truly understand these microbial interactions of good bacteria and bad bacteria. I believe we are second to none in our capacity to bring microbial solutions to the world.